So when you've got your shims placed and you've got them pushed in as far as you can, you should start to hear some crackling noises. And that's just the liquid nails or the adhesive, whatever it is that was used to attach the mirror to the wall. It's starting to loosen up and pull from the wall. That's when you need to be the most patient. So when you hear the noise, just wait it out until it stops, and then go back through each of your shims, push them in a little bit further. If you have to, bring in another shim right behind one that you have. Like this guy, he's already in almost all the way, and just push him in a little further. And then each time you go through and do that, you're gonna start hearing that crackling noise again. When you hear the crackling noise, just wait it out. That's usually the adhesive or the liquid nails, whatever it is, coming off the wall. So when it starts to quiet down, you don't hear that crackling anymore, go back through to each of your shims and push them in a little bit further. This guy's still making some noise, so we're just gonna be patient. You gotta be very patient. Quite a few shims here, probably, I don't know, maybe a dozen or so. Sometimes you push them in and you just lose them, that's okay. Try to push another one in right behind it. Okay, now that we have all the demo out of the way, let's get this glow up started. In the water closet, I added this black croc wallpaper just on this little accent wall. Also added 2 black shelves. And since this bathroom unfortunately didn't have any cabinets above the countertop, I went ahead and added these acrylic shelves. And what I love about them is that they're kind of light and airy and they don't look too heavy on the wall. And they are so super handy to have the products that I use on a daily basis just easily reachable. They have a really nice depth to them as well. Added in an arched mirror. Also chose some really simple towel holders. I have everything linked below for you, but these are just really nice and kind of a more of a minimalist design. To add a little texture, I hung a small vintage rug on the wall. Also added 2 corner shelves, painted them black. Did a matte black towel rod, and then above that hung a planter as well as a 1 1/4 inch matte black curtain rod and a really beautiful high-end quality velvet curtain just to add some coziness to the room. This is one of my favorite rooms in the house, and I'm in here at least 5 nights out of the week taking a luxurious bath. It's one of my favorite things to do to pamper myself. And rather than add several small rugs, I chose to add one 7x7 round neutral rug. And then over here near the shower, I chose to hang a kind of a rack that has 4 hooks on it that you could use for towels or robes or any other clothing or anything you may want to hang in the bathroom. Did another acrylic shelf over here, as well as a hand towel holder and another matching arched mirror. And that pretty much finishes up this glow up. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you found some inspiration and some tips.